Next, we have several listeners asking about shocking someone back to life with an AED.
An automated external defibrillator. Firstly, it is not medical equipment. An AED is first aid equipment. They are designed so that anybody can use them. You don't need to be specially trained. You just need to turn it on and do what it says. The machine makes the decisions, not you. It is not going to make a mistake. The AED is only programmed to find what's called a shockable rhythm, an electrical rhythm within the heart that needs to be shocked back to a normal rhythm. This is another common misconception people have about AEDs. They do not start the heart. That is what happens in movies. It is complete fiction. You cannot restart a heart that has stopped. If it's dead, it is dead. You can't fix dead. What the AED does is it tries to reboot the heart, because when somebody goes into cardiac arrest, their heart rhythm changes from pumping blood, boom, 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 boom. It goes into what's called fibrillation. And fibrillation is just a fancy medical word that means twitching uncontrollably. The whole heart just twitches. It's not squeezing blood anymore, it's just twitching. In order to stop that, you shoot electricity through it using a thing called a defibrillator. The heart is fibrillating, we stop it with a defibrillator. And that shocks the heart and stops it. Doesn't start it, it stops it. So it's fibrillating, put electricity through it to stop it, and hopefully it'll come back on in the correct sequence. As I said, we're just trying to reboot it. But the machine makes the decision, not you. It's not going to accidentally shock anything. It's only looking for that shockable rhythm. So with an AED, put it on and do what it says. It's not going to cause any harm. It's not an enormous amount of electricity going through it. It's a very small amount of power going between those two pads. So just put it on and do what it says. You may just save a life if you were to do that. Please, Mel, tell people, don't be afraid of AEDs, don't be afraid of CPR. They save lives.
Oh, wow.